One.
Ready?
We're about to record a small motor. Hold the motor in your hand.
Nah. Yeah.
Es porque si no va a rebotar o algo y...
What if this shit fucking burns or something?
Hold on.
Fuck.
Alright, test number 2. Just hold the
That shit's smoking.
No.
Eso porque tocó, dale.
Yeah, hold the motor
abajo,
though.
desde abajo.
Hold the motor. Yeah, hold the motor.
This shit's fucking scary.
This is
Dude.
test number 2
I caress my life.
Güey, no tapa nada.
on testing a motor
You're testing.
from a printer.
Güey, no pasa nada.
This shit won't spin.
Yo.
Fuck.
Hold it in your hand though, dick.
Ah, fucking scared, dude.
Güey, te parece bien, güey.
Dale, güey.
Yo.
That's scary.
Go, man, but hold it.
No.
You guys saw how thing like popped and the oil?
No,
Eso
go.
porque no hizo contacto.
But
güey.
hold the motor though, dick.
Ya, eso porque no hizo contacto.
Alright.
Toda caliente, ¿verdad?
Test number 3 on the motor test. You ready, Alex?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna let this shit drop once I fucking
Go on.
that shit. Yeah.
Let's get a good angle on this sucker.
What the hell? Fuck. I think.
Sácale punta, güey.
Yeah. Let me try that.
Alright. This is test number 4 with 3 attempts and a fail. But we're planning to make this one work.
Are you ready?
Go.
Fuck.
Bitch, you're supposed to leave it in.
Oh fuck.
Go.
Okay. I think I got the hang of this.
Ya no, güey, no. Deja con